Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about artificial intelligence. This is a part of ICSC302 MUIC. So let's begin. In the overview, there are four topics: introduction, robotics and AI, machine learning, and applications. And then we will conclude all of the topics. So first, we have to talk about what is AI. AI is a program that can learn using machine learning, which is a part of artificial intelligence, and deep learning, which is a part of machine learning. Machine learning and deep learning are subsets of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence can do a lot of things, like the bots in the video games and the decision-making system that can help you to decide things. Next, we have to talk about robotics and AI. Can we make a human of the machine? The answer is not really. Well, let's see. Let's see how we can implement a human of machine. But it's not actually human, but similarly. That's why we call them artificial intelligence. Comparison between robots and AIs. The robots, they are programmed to do things. If they are programmed to dance, they can dance. To walk, they can walk. But the way they do that, we have to program every single step. That's a low level interaction because we have to do everything for them and they cannot do anything more than that. But there's the double edge of the robot is that they can be as smart as the program. If the programmer is very smart and they can think of the way to do it, just program it for the robot to work for us in our own way. But if we have no idea, just use the AIs. How we create that, we will talk about in the next topic. But the AIs are programmed to things like the human, and they can do social interaction also. Have you ever seen the AI talk with each other? Well, and they can learn. This is the thing that make AI is differ from other suspect. So let's talk about the machine learning. Machine learning is a dumb way that will make it correct. How we create a solution for our own answers. Well, if you have a picture of a dog, how do we create the simplest way to recognize a dog? That's a machine learning. Machine learning is a part of artificial intelligence and consists of the deep learning. Deep learning is how we create a multi-layer neural networks that learn from vast amounts of data. Machine learning can get smarter and smarter time by time. Given a lot of data, actually it's gonna take like one day. Next thing we have to talk about how we create the machine learning. The answer is just math and algorithms. That's all. That's all we can make. How we can make machine learning compared to the program, but I promise that it's not that bad. But it's just how we create that things. Just combine the probability and statistic, and then you can get the machine learning of it. Next thing, we want to talk about applications of the AI. Can AI take over people's jobs? Let's see. These three AIs work similarly. Google Assistant can respond to the user sound to do the task correctly. But how we do that? We just let the program learn how to recognize the sound first, and then we teach them what to do when they recognize the sound. And that's an AI. That's AI. But the way they learn to recognize our voice is machine learning. That's a simple way to create an AI, but what is a difficult thing to do is how we gather data. People have many sounds, like my sound is not the same as yours, of course, but how they recognize that, there has to be a way. So we have to train them with a lot of data. So another application is the smart home. A smart home looks easy by the surface. They can just regulate the temperature, secure the house using the CCTV. Maybe they can like lock the door automatically when we enter the house, or maybe like unlock the door when we enter the front door, or maybe they can do the laundry, many things more, whatever. But how they can recognize to do that? They have to like again recognize our sound or maybe our way of the input. I have to learn how to do things like that. And that's how the smart home can get created. So in the end, we can say that artificial intelligence consists of machine learning and deep learning. It's a program that can learn, sense, and adapt to the environment, and they can make amazing things that we have no way to do it by ourselves, but they can do that. But they don't know what they have to create, so we have to give them. That's called machine learning. We have to give them a lot of data to learn. And once we create them correctly, we will get something similarly to the Siri and Alexa. Or if you are that rich, you can like make your own. But I hope it works and better than these three. So thank you for paying attention. If you have any questions, you can leave your comments below. I will answer it one by one. Thank you.